Hello and welcome. My name is Patrick Coughlin, and I'm the Vice President of Pantheon Integrated Solutions. It is my pleasure to demonstrate for you the Financial De-Obligation module, one of the many tools we offer in the Pantheon Web Suite. The module starts on the Summary and Data Visualization tab. This tab is fully customizable during the onboarding process and can be tailored to meet our customers' specific needs and desired outputs. At the top, we have the Data Summary table. This displays all the outstanding unliquidated obligations for the program broken out by fiscal year, the expected expenditure phasing plans, and the total amount of funding currently available for recovery. We also track the current amount of funds that have recently been identified for pullback, the amount of funds attached to PRs currently being processed in Navy ERP, and the total amount of funds recovered by the program office using this tool. The system also tracks the individual pullback actions taken by program BFMs for comptroller reporting and staffing workload tracking purposes. The charts and graphs which make up the data visualization outputs can be customized as well during the onboarding process. They are easily printable and can be cut and pasted into PowerPoint or other presentation software. The De-Obligation module dataset is updated by uploading reports from Navy ERP through our Data Upload tab. In the current way of doing business, BFMs have to manually work through the ERP outputs to decipher which funding lines apply to each performer and determine how much unliquidated obligation is sitting on each line. During the onboarding process, custom load scripts are written to allow the PWS system to take in ERP data using the current program office data configuration, allowing for seamless data uploads and refreshes. The current cycle data tab allows the editor to verify the data uploads. The system will automatically highlight any missing data points and allow the editor to assign the correct performer and funding type. When the editor is ready to start a new cycle, they enter the Cycle Status tab and open a new cycle. PWS will send an email to all performing activities point of contact instructing them to log into the system and fill out the expenditure phasing plan. During the cycle status page will allow the editors to monitor the submission status and send additional reminder emails to performers who have not completed their submission. When the performing activity point of contact logs into the system, they will only see the performing reporting page with their specific funding information. The performing activity is asked to fill out the fiscal year in which they expect the unliquidated obligation to invoice and expend. The remaining balance populates the available to pullback column and represents the amount the performing activity is comfortable returning to the program office. Once the form is filled out, the Activity Financial Manager checks the box acknowledging that the performing activity accepts the program office pulling back the funds and that the pullback will not violate the Anti-Deficiency Act. The input cells for the performer report are conditionally formatted based on type and fiscal year of the funding, restricting the user from submitting a phasing plan that does not comply with funding expenditure regulations. The Financial De-Obligation module takes advantage of the Pantheon Web Services user hierarchy capability. Clients will purchase a package that will contain a predetermined number of licenses at various levels and then have the ability to add additional licenses at any levels based on their needs. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Pantheon's De-Obligation module. If you would like more information or would like to start the process of subscribing to Pantheon Web Services, please contact either Edward Walsh or Patrick Coughlin. For more information on all of the services provided by Pantheon Integrated Solutions, please visit our website, mypantheonsolutions.com.